Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. A 45-year-old female presents with fatigue, weight gain, constipation, and cold intolerance. On examination, she has a bradycardia and dry skin. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? 45. The correct answer is hypothyroidism. The symptoms of fatigue, weight gain, constipation, cold intolerance, bradycardia, and dry skin are classic presentations of hypothyroidism. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. Which of the following is the most common cause of hypothyroidism? The correct answer is Graves' disease. Graves' disease is an autoimmune condition and is the most common cause of hypothyroidism. Sariyana Badil. Question 3. A patient's lab results show low TSH and high free T4. This pattern is most consistent with DSH D4. The correct answer is primary hypothyroidism. Low TSH and high free T4 indicate primary hypothyroidism, where the thyroid gland is overactive, suppressing TSH release from the pituitary. Sariyana Badil, DSH D4, DSH. Question 4. Hyperpigmentation, particularly in sun-exposed areas and mucous membranes, is a characteristic feature of which adrenal disorder? The correct answer is Addison's disease. Hyperpigmentation in Addison's disease is due to increased ACTH, which shares a precursor molecule with melanocyte-stimulating hormone, MSH. Sariyana Badil. ACDH, MSH. Question 5. A patient presenting with central obesity, moon face, buffalo hump, and striae is most likely suffering from. The correct answer is Cushing's syndrome. These symptoms are classic manifestations of Cushing's syndrome caused by prolonged exposure to high levels of cortisol. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Paroxysmal hypertension, palpitations, headaches, and profuse sweating are the classic tetrad of symptoms associated with which adrenal tumor? The correct answer is pheochromocytoma. These symptoms are characteristic of pheochromocytoma, a tumor of the adrenal medulla that secretes catecholamines. Sariyana Badil. Question 7. A 50-year-old male notices his shoe size and ring size have increased over several years. He also complains of joint pain and increased sweating. These findings are suggestive of Badil. The correct answer is acromegaly. Acromegaly is caused by excessive growth hormone secretion in adulthood, leading to enlargement of hands, feet, and facial features, along with other systemic symptoms. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. A patient presents with polyuria, polydipsia, and hypernatremia, despite having normal blood glucose levels. The most likely diagnosis is The correct answer is diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is characterized by the inability to concentrate urine due to insufficient ADH secretion, central D, or renal insensitivity to ADH, nephrogenic D, leading to polyuria, polydipsia, and hypernatremia. Sariyana Badil. ADH-D, ADH-D. Question 9. Galactorrhea and amenorrhea in a premenopausal woman are classic symptoms of which pituitary tumor? The correct answer is prolactinoma. Prolactinomas are the most common type of pituitary tumor and cause hyperprolactinemia, leading to galactorrhea, milk production, and amenorrhea, absence of menstruation, in women. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which of the following is the most common cause of hypercalcemia in outpatients? The correct answer is primary hyperparathyroidism. Primary hyperparathyroidism is the most common cause of hypercalcemia in ambulatory patients, while malignancy is the most common cause in hospitalized patients. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. Chvostek's sign and Trousseau's sign are clinical indicators of which electrolyte disturbance? The correct answer is hypocalcemia. Chvostek's sign, facial muscle twitching upon tapping the facial nerve, and Trousseau's sign, carpal spasm induced by inflating a blood pressure cuff, are characteristic signs of hypocalcemia. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. The primary physiological role of parathyroid hormone, PTH, is to BDH. The correct answer is increase serum calcium levels. PTH primarily acts to increase serum calcium levels by stimulating bone resorption, increasing renal calcium reabsorption, and promoting vitamin D activation. Sariyana Badil. BDH. Question 13. Which of the following is the active form of vitamin D responsible for calcium homeostasis? The correct answer is 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D. 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D, calcitriol, is the hormonally active form of vitamin D, crucial for calcium absorption in the gut and bone mineralization. Sariyana Badil. 1, 25-. Question 14. Medullary thyroid carcinoma, pheochromocytoma, and primary hyperparathyroidism are characteristic features of which multiple endocrine neoplasia, MEN, syndrome? MEN? The correct answer is MEN type 2A. MEN type 2A is characterized by the triad of medullary thyroid carcinoma, pheochromocytoma, and primary hyperparathyroidism. Sariyana Badil. MEN 2A. MEN 2A. Question 15. In a typical negative feedback loop involving the hypothalamus, pituitary, and an endocrine gland, what happens when the hormone levels from the target gland are high? The correct answer is hypothalamus and pituitary decrease their respective hormone secretions. High levels of hormones from the target gland inhibit the release of releasing hormones from the hypothalamus and stimulating hormones from the pituitary, thus completing the negative feedback loop. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.